Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. This is Manjunath, and it's 4:50 p.m. here in India. I am the trader. I trade on Forex market on a daily basis. I'm a day trader. I do analyze the market as well as I do provide free signals to my customers. In order to get our free signals, you have to be hot forex customers. So you need to be our IB introduced broker to receive signals on a daily basis. Well, right now I will just show you how to trade and when to trade in the market. Okay, forex is open for 24 by 7 and 5 days a week, but you do not get a chance to trade every day just because you know you do not know the trend, or just because you are not sure about whether you should trade. And some people do trade imagining, or some people just trade just because they want to make money, with eager and with aggressiveness. So that is not how you trade. You should always trade when you have the good chance, on the right chance at the right time. So I'll just show you guys. So how do I trade, and how do I make profit on a daily basis, and how do I exit, and how do I enter the market? So well, you can see this is the Euro USD dollar US dollars chart, wherein I just set it on the H1 time frame, and you can see I have many indicators. I know it's complicated. I know it's very simple. Simplified for me because I use these custom made indicators so that I can understand the market in quick time, so that I do not have to analyze and do a lot of things right there. So I have stochastic, which is the inbuilt custom indicator from the MetaTrader, and we can just see the overbought and the oversold area to enter the right market at the right time. And I have this pivot points indicator. It is also custom made indicator wherein you can see the support and resistance level. This is S1 is support 1, support 2, it is the resistance 1. If it goes up there, so you will find another resistance 2, so where the price are actually stopped and the people are interested to sell that particular area. So you can see the market is right now is here. It's in the middle of the support, which is at 1.2471, and the resistance at 1.2573. So do you have to buy or you have to sell? You're not sure. Exactly. Even I'm not sure what to do at this point of time. So what I do, I just wait. Okay. So till when you're gonna wait? Till when you gonna put your first order so that you can make money? So I'll just show you. I have these two saffron lines, which are the trend lines. Okay. So I use these lines. It is automatic trend lines which mark the lines. I use a custom made indicator called pipstriker.com, so it just automatically draws it so that I can understand the market range. The people are selling at this area, they are interested to sell at this level, and they are interested to buy at this level. So the market is just moving between around 30 to 20 to 30 pips here right now. So what I have to do, it's in the Euro. Right now we are in the Euro session, so we still have some fundamental economic news coming up in the US sessions, which are very very important in the beginning of the US session. So we are waiting for the right report. By that time, I'm not sure market is gonna go here or it's gonna come here. I'm not sure whether we should buy it right now or sell it right now. But if you do want to see the range, okay, people are selling at this level, you can just place an entry of the sell here, and you should wait for the profit taking here. But I do not recommend it because there are still news coming up. So you never mess with the news, the report, because that's the one which is moving the market. So you should respect the fundamentals, you should respect the technical, you should also respect the timing and the forex movements. So now what I have to do is wait for the report time. Okay, so wait for the forecast to be displayed. So we already have some reports landing up. So you can also see, if you go to investing.com or FX Street or Daily FX, you will have the economic calendar, so which are there, um, which are actually listed there with a particular time. So we have to wait for that time. So basically all the US data gets released on in the US session, in the early US session, or before half an hour or 1 hour of the US session, or after 1 hour 2 hour of the US session, till the trading day. So we just have to look at the important datas for the day, so which are actually very important. Like they will have a markup like 3 stars or 3 bulls, showing that this data is very important. So you have to watch and wait for those datas. And after the datas, the outcome will be, you just have to judge whether it's better than the forecast, or better than the previous, or worse than the forecast, or worse than the previous. Then you just go about it. So for an example, okay, the market is still here after the release of the data, right? So if you see the bad data, negative economy data, then what you have to do, you can straight away sell the euro USD. I'm sorry, if the bad is there, if you can just immediately wait for this breakout. So once the breakout is happens, you can just buy the Euro USD till the next level, to the first resistance. You can just take the profit out here. If the data is good and the price is still standing there, and you can see this is the main resistance, and which is very easy to trade without any kind of technical analysis. You can just go and put a sell order at the market price, and just put a stop level here, just 2 to 3 pips away from the resistance level, and you can take the profit, the first profit here. All right, if this one breaks out, and the second profit will be here. So you can just use the trailing stops when you're in the profit. So the moment it's at the resistance level and it's moving sideways, so I always recommend, if the data is good, then you should just sell it. So that's how you make the money. That's how you make trade in the forex market. If you're really interested to get my free signals on a daily basis, I send it through WhatsApp at the moment, and I also have a fan page called Hot Forex Free Signals. So just please go ahead and like the page. I do send a lot of analysis and my view of on the market every day, and I do not provide any signals there. In order to get my signals, you just have to send me a message with your name, your email ID, and your Hot Forex ID, so that I can send you daily signals on WhatsApp. On a daily basis. I do send it on all the major pairs and the Japanese pairs: Euro USD, USD, dollars versus franc, Great Britain versus US dollars versus yen, Australian dollars versus US dollars, US dollar versus Canadian dollars, US dollar versus Japanese. Also, I have signals for the gold and for the silver, the commodities, the oil. On a daily basis, we do analyze when we have the good chance to enter the market. I just recommend you buy at this price, or enter the market price, and keep the TP or keep the SL at this point of time, and you just enter the trades, and you make profit all the time. Okay, guys, so this is my short video covered with my analysis. I do not want to push. I do not want to confuse you more. I will be adding more videos in future in coming days. But this is my first video, like how you enter the market. This is the basics. How you when and how you enter the market and exit the markets. This is my first analysis. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for listening to me, and have a good day, guys.